Hello, seal coating contractors and pavement professionals. Welcome to the 2026 Neyra Spring Seminar Series. I'm Alyssa, your AI virtual assistant. Before we begin, let's talk about a problem every contractor in this room already understands. You're out on a job site. The crew is working, the job site is prepped, the crack sealing is done, and the brushes are flying. Then suddenly, somewhere in your truck or in your pocket, your phone starts ringing and you simply can't answer it right now. That call might be a homeowner needing their driveway sealed, a property manager with a parking lot project, or a contractor looking for crack sealing work. But by the time the job is finished and you return the call, the customer has already moved on to the next contractor. Missed calls are missed jobs. That's the problem we set out to solve. Today, you're going to see a simple AI system designed specifically for Sealcoat contractors, a system that answers calls, captures leads, and makes sure opportunities don't slip through the cracks while you're busy sealing them. This solution was created by someone who has spent more than 3 decades in the seal coating industry, working the same jobs we all do. Every day possible. Mike Callahan, founder of North American Sealcoat, Sealcoat University, and Sealcoat Operating Systems, built this system to solve a problem he experienced personally for many years. In just a moment, Mike will walk you through how it works and how systems like this may help contractors capture more opportunities, respond faster to customers, and grow their businesses. Mike, the floor is yours.
Sealcoat University. Built by a Sealcoat pioneer for today's modern Sealcoat professionals. Operate with wisdom.
Hello, my name is Mike Callahan, and I have been seal coating for approximately 35 years. That's probably more years than half of the people watching this video have even been on the face of this earth. I've dealt with all kinds of customers, all kinds of problems, everything from pigs to potholes, and all kinds of customers that just drove me crazy. And on top of all of that, one of the biggest problems I've got during the season is the constant interruptions from my cell phone. You gotta stop, you gotta dig the phone out of your pocket. Meanwhile, you're chasing steaming footprints, trying to get the prints out before they dry in the hot sun. And it's a real pain in the butt. A lot of times I'll let it go to voicemail, and a lot of people don't leave messages. They want to talk to somebody, and this helps address that problem. So half the time they don't leave messages. You don't know what you missed, and I'm reluctant to not at least glance quick at my phone in case it's an important call that I want to take. So I'm fumbling with my phone. I get the brush in one hand, I get the phone in another. I'm trying to... So this is the perfect solution for that. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love this, man. Watch, I'm gonna show you an example of what I'm talking about, and at the end of the video, at the end of the demo, I got some facts and figures I think you will be interested in learning. That's it. It's cold out here. Spring's right around the corner. And this year is going to be different. It's going to be so much more convenient, so much easier. And I'm going to probably increase my income tens of thousands of dollars by avoiding missed calls. And let me first say with my new tongue. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Stand by. You're going to love it. It's crazy, man. You're going to love it.
You've reached the seal coating experts. My name's Alyssa. How can I help you today?
I've got a small seal coating company, and I was wondering what you can do to help me out.
Got it. This line is actually running as a live demo of the Sealcoat operator system. It's an AI-powered assistant designed specifically for seal coating contractors like you. It handles calls professionally when you're busy and sends instant lead notifications. Along with handling calls and capturing leads, the system provides structured proposal templates to prevent misunderstandings, optional customized promotional videos, marketing support, and training tools to help onboard future hires faster. The best way to see how it fits your business is to book a strategy call at sealcoatuniversity.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to book a strategy call. It's quick and easy to set up, and they'll walk you through everything step by step.
Okay, I'm a potential customer, and I'd like to get an estimate for seal coating my driveway.
Absolutely. We handle residential seal coating and can provide an estimate after inspecting the property. Let me grab your information so we can get that scheduled. Could you share your full name, property address, and the best phone number to reach you?
Yes, Mike Callahan, 123 Main Street, Anytown, USA.
Got it, Mike. So that's 123 Main Street, Anytown, USA. Could you also provide the best phone number to reach you?
It's 1-800-NO-CAGES.
Thanks, Mike. Just to confirm, that's 1-800-NO-CAGES, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Lastly, could you share your email address so we can send the estimate once the inspection is complete?
Yes, it's Mike at sealcoatuniversity.com.
Thanks, Mike. Just to confirm, that's Mike at sealcoatuniversity.com, correct?
Yes.
Great. We'll inspect the property and send your estimate to the email you provided. Please review the procedures and expectations carefully when you receive it. Thanks for calling, Mike. Anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, how much does it cost to get your driveway seal coated?
Most residential driveways typically range between $500 and $1,200, depending on surface conditions, the extent of cracks, and the prep work required. Final pricing is determined after the inspection. Does that help?
It does. How long do I have to stay off the surface?
You'll need to stay off the surface for at least 24 to 48 hours after the seal coating is applied to allow it to fully cure. This ensures the best results. Anything else I can clarify for you?
Yes, do you do a crack sealing as well?
Yes, we do. Crack sealing is part of the prep work we handle before applying the seal coat. It helps ensure a smooth, durable finish. Let me know if you have any other questions.
How do you do the crack sealing?
Great question. For crack sealing, we clean out the cracks to remove debris and ensure proper adhesion. Then we fill them with a high-quality, hot, rubberized crack filler. This material expands and contracts with temperature changes, preventing further damage and ensuring a longer-lasting seal coat. Let me know if you'd like more details.
Yes, what's the difference between a spray application and hand brushing?
Good question. A spray application is faster and provides a smooth, even coat, which is great for larger areas. A hand brush application, on the other hand, allows for more precision, especially around edges or tight spots. Both methods are effective, but the choice often depends on the driveway's condition and your preference. Anything else you'd like to know?
Yeah, do I have to do any prep work, or you guys take care of all that?
We take care of all the prep work for you. This includes cleaning the surface, removing debris, sealing cracks, and ensuring the area is ready for seal coating. You won't need to lift a finger. Anything else I can help with?
Can you explain why I should bother seal coating my driveway?
Of course. Seal coating protects your driveway from damage caused by UV rays, water, oil, and chemicals. It also prevents cracks from expanding and extends the life of the asphalt by sealing out moisture. Plus, it gives your driveway a fresh, clean black finish, improving curb appeal. It's a cost-effective way to maintain and protect your investment. Let me know if you'd like more details.
Yes, I would, please.
Sure. Seal coating acts as a protective barrier, shielding your asphalt from oxidation caused by the sun, which can make it brittle over time. It also prevents water from seeping into cracks, which could lead to potholes during freeze-thaw cycles. Additionally, it resists oil and chemical spills that can weaken the asphalt. Regular seal coating not only extends the life of your driveway, but also saves you money on costly repairs down the road. Plus, the sleek black finish enhances the overall look of your property. Anything else you'd like to dive into?
Yes, I've got a lot of brick pavers and stone walls that I'm worried about getting material on. What do you do about that?
Great question. We take extra care to protect any surrounding areas like brick pavers, stone walls, or landscaping. Typically, we'll edge carefully around those areas and use shields or tarps to block off surfaces that shouldn't be coated. If needed, we can also tape off specific sections to ensure everything stays clean and protected. Let me know if you have any other concerns.
How often should a driveway be seal coated?
Generally, it's recommended to seal coat your driveway every 2 to 3 years. This keeps the surface protected and looking fresh. However, if your driveway sees heavy traffic or harsh weather conditions, you might need it done a bit more frequently. Let me know if you'd like more details.
Can you add any additional reasons why somebody should consider seal coating their driveway?
Absolutely. Seal coating not only protects and extends the life of your driveway, but it also saves you money in the long run. By preventing cracks, potholes, and other damage, you avoid costly repairs or even full replacement. It also improves traction, making the surface safer to walk and drive on. Plus, a freshly seal-coated driveway boosts your property's curb appeal, which can be a big plus if you're ever looking to sell. It's a smart investment all around. Anything else I can help with?
Yeah, what's it cost to have my driveway seal coated?
For residential driveways, the cost typically ranges between $500 and $1,200, depending on factors like surface condition, the extent of cracks, and the prep work required. The final price is determined after we inspect the property. Let me know if you'd like to move forward.
Yes, of course, I'd like to move forward. What do I do next?
Great. We'll inspect your property at 123 Main Street, Anytown, USA. And send the estimate to Mike at sealcoatuniversity.com. You don't need to be home for the inspection. Once we've completed it, we'll email you the details. Thanks for choosing us, Mike. Anything else before we wrap up?
Yes, there is. Are you a human?
I'm actually a virtual assistant designed to help with seal coating inquiries and scheduling. I aim to make the process as smooth and efficient as possible. Let me know if there's anything else you're curious about.
No, thank you. I'm all set.
You're very welcome. Have a great day and best of luck with your business. Take care.
Look at this chart. If you miss just one call a day, at an average of $500 a job, that could cost you over $1,700 a week in lost revenue. I don't know about you, but I miss a lot more than one call a day, I can tell you that. Thanks to telemarketing robocalls, unless it's a number I recognize, I send them straight to voicemail. The system solves that lost revenue problem for good. If you'd like to see what these lost calls could be costing your business, scan the QR code at the end of this video or visit sealcoatuniversity.com and enter your own numbers and go, wow, I had no idea. None. You're in for a serious shock, my friends. By that, I mean a serious shock. Check it out. We are limiting applications to 25 clients per session on a first-come, first-served basis. You get a full 30-day risk-free period after your system is live and working, and you can pause or cancel it at any time. So you got nothing to lose. Nothing to lose but customers. Give it a shot, man. It's well worth it. Money well spent, believe me. I know the feeling. We're all in the same game together. We're all in this together. So do the right thing for yourself. Give it a shot. If you don't like it, cancel. Cancel it. Nothing to lose but customers. Just saying. This isn't just about answering the phones. In addition, you will have full access to my bulletproof proposal forms that explain in detail procedures, expectations, how long to stay off of it, what to expect. You're going to have some scuffing. You're going to be able to see the hot rubber crack sealing seam that you've just done and seal coated over. It eliminates 99% of callbacks from minor cosmetic things that they just didn't realize that what to expect. So if you let them know up front, I get a lot of compliments on the details and the depth of this proposal form, where all of the other proposals they're getting is just so many square feet. This is what it's going to cost. Call me when you're ready. This is very detailed, and I've found it's eliminated probably 99% of my callbacks from customers that just didn't know what to expect. So you got to educate them up front. Also, every spring I send out a flyer to my email customers and offering a 10% discount for a deposit of $250 towards work that for the upcoming season. I probably get 20 or 30 of those every spring. It helps to have some funding to go into the next season for your materials or whatever you may need. Here's just a snapshot of deposits over the past 5 days alone. After a long winter and no income in, I'll tell you what, it sure helps to pre-sell jobs for the upcoming season. Our long-proven templates can do the same for you. Also, from driving down the road and I see a horrible driveway seal coating, and I'm sure you all have, I'll stop and video it and use that in my promotional videos, in my sales brochures, and to show and educate people what to expect, that if you go with the cheapest guy, you're going to get what you pay for. And when you can show your customer that principle, and you can show them proof of the horrible jobs that are out there that some of these companies are doing, it pretty much clinches the job, and you're probably going to get the work that your proposal is for.
Well, they hired the cheapest guy in town. Now the driveway's streaked and brown, grass poking up and sealer on the street, footprints everywhere. What a sloppy feat. You save a buck, but here's a twist: cheap work costs more to fix.
Also, you get full access to my Sealcoat University training courses. And that's it. It's all part of a complete Sealcoat operating system. And it's been working great for me, man. This is a great business. And there's a lot of money to be made as long as you're honorable, I can't say reputable. As long as you're reputable, do the right job, good work quality, good workmanship, you can do great. And this will help eliminate a lot of your callbacks. So check us out. Try it. You got nothing to lose but customers.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to experience this AI magic for yourself right here, right now, give our demo line a call. Dial 1-800-NO-CAGES. That's 1-800-662-2437 and hear how AI answers contractor calls or customer questions. And don't be caged in by your outdated phone systems. Or simply scan this QR code to learn more and see how Sealcoat operating systems can help capture more leads and lost revenue while you're out doing the dirty work. Stay safe out there, my friends, and have a great season ahead.